Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're doing some more practice problems, but we're going to rewrite from logarithmic form to exponential form. And just as a reminder, keep in mind that we can go from y equals log base a of x, that's the logarithmic form, and the exponential equivalent of that with a, y, and x being placeholders would be a to the y equals x. So we've used this both ways, but here's some practice problems. A is log base 2 of 1/8 equals -3. So if we rewrite that, 2 is our base raised to the exponent -3, so 2 to -3 equals 1/8. B, log base 5 of 8 equals d. So 5 is our base and d is our exponent. So 5 raised to the d is 8. C, the natural log of 5x equals 3. So it might be useful for you to realize that natural log implies base e. There are no other options with natural log. So when we rewrite an exponential form, it's base e to the third. So e to the third equals 5x. And the last one, D, log of t equals 6. No base is written, so with the logarithm it's understood to be base 10. So rewriting that, it'll be base 10 raised to the 6th. So 10 to the 6th equals t. Very simple stuff if you just rearrange it.